If you're looking for maximum power on a smaller scale of tool, then you are going to love this. This is the Milwaukee M12 Fuel FPD2 Brushless Combi Drill. Now, Milwaukee take 12 volts seriously. They have built the M12 range to be one of the most popular and expansive 12 volt ranges on the market. And their aim of maximising power output from these smaller tools is seen most when Milwaukee incorporates their fuel technology. You can see that here with the FPD2 Combi Drill. This is a direct upgrade on the original FPD model, and with this new model you'll be seeing up to 45 Nm of torque. If you find yourself working in tight spaces, this isn't going to be a problem because the Combi is just 152mm in length. You are getting ultimate freedom with this tool too, with 2 speed settings and 13 torque settings. Milwaukee have coined the phrase nothing but heavy duty, and the FPD2 is a perfect example of that. This thing is built to operate in the toughest conditions with a lovely metal chuck and all metal gear casing. Milwaukee's fuel tools have quite a reputation to live up to, and this Combi does exactly that. Fuel is a combination of Milwaukee's best technology, including a brushless power state motor, which is designed to give you years of maintenance-free runtime. This also features Milwaukee's patented RedLink technology, which is a way for the tool to communicate with the battery, and this prevents it from overloading and overheating. So, if you are looking for maximum power on a smaller scale, then look no further than the Milwaukee M12 Fuel FPD2 Brushless Combi Drill. It's available now at its.co.uk.